Welcome to the State Bar of Arizona's instructional video for Pro Hac Vice applications. This process is for State Bar of Arizona applications only. If your case is in U.S. District Court of Arizona or U.S. Bankruptcy Court District of Arizona, please visit their respective websites for their specific processes. Use only the application linked below this video to ensure you have the current Arizona Supreme Court approved version. Processing takes 2 to 3 weeks. Applications cannot be expedited, so please plan your filing accordingly. Part 1 of the application. Provide your full legal name, firm, office address, and current contact information. Use an email address unique to you that has not been used for a previous Pro Hac Vice applicant. List the court, full case title, the party you represent, and the docket or case number. List every jurisdiction where you are fully admitted to practice, including those where you have an inactive status. Do not list prior Pro Hac Vice admissions. You must disclose any disciplinary history or non-good standing status. If you have been subject to proceedings in the last 5 years, attach a detailed description and contact information for the disciplinary authority. List all Pro Hac Vice applications filed in the State Bar of Arizona within the last 3 years. Only select yes for granted applications if you provided the granting order to the State Bar. Indicate if the case is related to or consolidated with another matter and provide that case number. Failure to provide the aforementioned information will deem your application incomplete. Part 2. You must select and list an Arizona local counsel for sponsorship. Ensure their 6-digit bar number is correct. It must begin with a 0. Local counsel must be in good standing and agree to accept joint responsibility in the case you are seeking Pro Hac Vice admission. Do not list an attorney without their prior consent. An Arizona local counsel is not required for ICWA cases. All other applicants must list a consenting Arizona local counsel who is a member in good standing. Part 3. List all parties and counsel involved in the case. Include the mandatory non-refundable $505 application fee. Exceptions to the fee is that a fee is not required for ICWA cases, approved pro bono matters, or specific consolidated cases where a fee was already paid for the lead case. Please also check the box indicating that you have provided an original certificate of good standing from the highest court, typically the Supreme Court, in your jurisdiction, dated within 45 days of your submission. A certificate of good standing is required whether you have an active or inactive status in each jurisdiction you are fully admitted to practice. The application requires a wet signature from both the applicant and the notary. Digital signatures are not accepted. Ensure the dates match and the notary's commission is active. Failure to provide the aforementioned information will deem your application incomplete. For the final checklist. Before submitting, please confirm that all information on page 1 is complete, the Arizona local counsel has agreed to sponsor, a check for $505 is included if required, the original certificates of good standing are attached, and the application is properly notarized with wet signatures. If you have follow-up questions that have not been resolved in this video, our website, or Rule 39A, please email phv@staff.azbar.org. Thank you for your cooperation.